And here we are back at the corner. If I've been counting correctly, this is 51 weeks. So I have one more week, and then my commitment that I made last year to visit this corner every week will be complete. I'm not sure what I'm going to do after that, but I can also tell that we are nearing the time because I'm seeing things that I remember from back then. They are reappearing. So for instance, over here are the goldenrods starting to come up. There they are, looking very pale yellow, but they're just going to get brighter and brighter. And then of course the milkweed, the pink, these become gorgeous magenta pink, and they've opened. And then of course these have all these were here too. So a lot of the things are back, which is very cool. And we're back to kind of the lusciousness that's here. Can't see the water. That's been happening for a while. Over here by the parking sign, these have turned all purple. More goldenrod, more goldenrod. I can see here over on the other side of the parking, there's more goldenrod, there's more goldenrod, more gold. And this one is starting to show how it's going to be probably by next week. This patch has started to turn, and these too, they're starting to get that purplish pink look. They're going to open up into flowers. Oh, you like these? Over here, get fluffy and flowery. And then eventually in the fall they start turning into fluff. Really amazing fluff, but we're not there yet. This is where we are at. Also the leaf windows, because those leaf cutter spiders or ants are, look at the shape that one is. It's like an upside down heart. So last year around this time I was also looking at the holes in the leaf windows. So yeah, a lot of the old stuff from when I started has come back. So we're almost full circle here. All right, let's do our sweep. Here we go. Well, I just got this. These things make the most amazing. Let's see if I can get that into focus. I'll take a picture of that for sure, but it's moving around a bit too much. There, perhaps. Beautiful circle star shape as that emerges. Anyways, let's do our sweep. Here we are at the corner. Looking up, we can start to see those tall pink purple flowers emerge. Cedar. We've got a very heavy sky forecasting thunder. There's a bit later in the day. There's the sun. Other side of the street. Same thing happening over there. Cracked pavement. Stuff growing through the cracks, including some purple flowers there that I don't recall from last time. And here we are. And we'll be back again next week for the final week in this series. Bye for now. And now some photos from today. See you in the same place next week.